Hi, today I will talk about my first day in Manila. Uh, I'll talk about things, how did I rented a motorbike and how did I use that motorbike to get to my hotel. How was that experience? So before coming to Manila, I rented a motorbike through book2wheel.com and I told them my arrival timing when I was arriving at the airport. So they sent a driver with a scooter who was waiting for me outside. Bob is here and Bob came with me with the motorbike, and that's the gate 4 where I exit. I was outside, and when I went out it was very clear. I could see the gate number. So when I went out from the airport, I sent a text message through Messenger that I was standing at gate 4. And then you could see on the columns it said bay 6 or 7 where I was standing. So I took a picture and I sent it to the owner through internet. I could get some Wi-Fi. But other than that, I quickly bought a SIM card from outside. The SIM card was free and I put a load for 300 pesos, which gave me 4 gigabytes internet for a month. So I had this SIM card in my phone. I wrote the driver where I was and he came to pick me up. It was just like, so this is, I was standing, he was standing here, so he waved me and I moved to other side to him. Now he gave me the 150 scooter. I had place to put my bag in the front. There was bag on the behind. I put my backpack inside. And there was room for an extra helmet under the seat. That was pretty good. So some of the thing I'm going to share about the motorbike thing. Before you get the motorbike, I think it's very important to understand how the motorbike functions. You need to know where are the indicator. Is it the right hand or is the left hand side? Because when I started to drive, I did not ask those things to the owner. I was very sure that I know, but I did not know. So it's better that when the owner of the motorbike gets your motorbike, you check where the buttons are for the lights. Second thing, how to turn on and turn off. The scooter in the Philippines is quite different, so you need to know how their ignition button work. And sometimes they have this master locks with just locks, and then you can only open it behind the key. You have the key and then you screw inside and then you turn it on. The other thing which was I would like to share is that the scooter did not have a mobile holder. So you know, I was new in Manila and it was really hard for me to actually navigate, and I have to took out my motorbike all the time, my cell phone, and then I have to look the map. That was quite not safe, I would say, because I was stopping many times and I did not know where to stop. I would recommend that to communicate with the owner of the motorbike and have this mobile holder installed on the motorbike. Or use your headphones if you are alone. I did that because I had a headphone, so I have no other option just to use my headphone for my ears. So how is the traffic in Manila? Traffic in Manila was it was quite busy. The only thing that there is no lane where it says it's a motorbike lane or it's a car lane, so you are just driving between all the lanes and all the car. So that was pretty, if you are new, that could be a little bit scary, and it was scary for me as well. But I figured it out after some time when I got the confidence where I was going. So that's why it's very important to have a mobile holder. Another thing I paid, so what are the expense I had in my first day? I bought a SIM card for 300 kronas. I paid 500 for the guy who delivered me the motorbike. It's important to give the delivery boy, because then he has to go back where he came, and the taxi could cost 300 to 400 going back because of traffic. So I gave him 500, so that's like 800, and then I ate a meal of 100 peso. I ate a Jollibee. So my first day I so far have spent 800, no, I would say 900, and I'm going to eat outside, so I don't know how much it's gonna be. So that's my first day in Manila. I hope this information has helped you how to rent a motorbike in Manila and how to ride a motorbike in Manila.